If you're about to sign up for Bluehost, don't pay the price you see before checking for the extra discount. I have an exclusive Bluehost discount that can lower the price available through the standard Bluehost offer. To get it, click the first link in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you purchase through it at no additional cost to you. Once Bluehost opens, click View WordPress Plans, and you'll see the hosting plans currently available with the discounted pricing already applied. For most beginners, I'd start with the lowest cost plan that supports the website you're building rather than paying for features you don't need. The biggest thing to watch is your billing term. Longer term plans usually give you the lowest monthly price, while choosing a shorter term can increase what you pay each month. Also, check what's included before completing checkout, especially your domain and any optional add-ons you may not need. Once you've selected your plan and billing term, continue through checkout and confirm that the discounted price is showing before you pay. Again, you can access my exclusive Bluehost discount using the first link in the description below. That's the easiest way to make sure you're getting the Bluehost offer I'm providing rather than signing up at the regular price.